Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You want Word now and you don't have a product key? Start with Word Online. Sign in at Office. Com using your Microsoft account, then upload or create a document and edit in the browser. Once done, files save to OneDrive automatically, so you won't lose work. Make sure your browser is up to date and that extensions aren't blocking scripts. This keeps formatting intact. If you need basic layout or collaboration, Word Online covers most tasks without any key or local install. Next, expand your options. Start a Microsoft 365 free trial for full desktop Word if you need advanced features temporarily. You can also install Office mobile apps on iOS or Android to edit documents free on phones and tablets. If you prefer a permanent no-key solution, download LibreOffice and open. DocX files offline. Compatibility is strong for most documents. Once installed, test a sample file to confirm layout and fonts. Make sure to save copies when switching between suites to avoid accidental formatting loss. Finish by choosing a permanent path. Buy a Microsoft 365 subscription or a retail product key and activate Word under your Microsoft account to restore full desktop features. Once activated, tie the license to your account so you can reactivate on new devices easily. If something goes wrong, try signing out and back in, confirm your internet connection, and check billing details. These fixes resolve most activation errors. And if problems persist, contact Microsoft support. They can verify licenses and guide reactivation safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.